Smartsheet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so Smartsheet is basically a flexible solution for your work. Now, it's very similar to products like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. Now, the reason for that is that it's great for your work management. Okay. It's a great management platform. It's great for task management, great for project management. Even if you want to, manage your personal life, it's good for that because it gives you things like automations, digital assets, resource, team collab, dashboards, portfolio, proofing, account, intelligent workflows, integration, no code work apps, and a whole lot more. So it gives you a whole repertoire to work with. It gives you the whole, you know, you could say working standard to get your head around, and it helps you a lot in working. So do make sure to get your head wrapped around this pretty well because it's an absolutely amazing software to use. And I would urge all you users out there to get a good grasp of this, to get a good idea of this, because like products like Smartsheet will help you tons. Okay. So that's pretty much the main idea about Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.